Okay guys, here is part 2 for installing the apron mod. On the bottom of it are 2 magnets, and it basically just sticks down. The only thing you need to do is, as you're going down, just watch to make sure it clears the little plastic hands, the lights, the bat wings right there, and that's it. It goes down. It's real easy. Just want to make sure you got your clearance. One of the things I want to show you guys is on the blue skull, the plate. There are 2 screws right here. If for any reason on your guys's this thing isn't sitting flush with this part here, just loosen them up about a quarter turn, push him down the rest of the way, and tighten it back on. It's a little adjustment in it. It should be adjusted, when you guys get it to where you don't have to, but in case it has that adjustment in there. The other thing too, first time when you put the glass on, especially with this being a wide body, glass does tend to sag. This is right at the front part. Just go slow. Make sure everything clears. Again, it should, but I want to point it out to everybody to make sure everything's fine. Okay, moving on. Now we're going to install our LED bracket mounting, which is this part. First thing you need to do, take your bat wing plastic and put your screws in, and go ahead and put your spacers. Get that, there we go. You can get both fingers behind it, you can hold them that way. Next thing then will be your plate. You just want to make sure you're going the correct direction, so that's that way. So then we will take, it's actually a lot easier if I wasn't trying to show instructions. Okay, there's that on. Now, this part here goes on right there. And then after that, the fish paper goes on. Okay, now that's how that all should look, just like that. Now, if you can sandwich it between your fingers, thumbs here, and holding it this way, it's good grip, and get you over here, and then you can just kind of squeeze it a little bit. But what you're going to want to do is just take your LED boards, and you can slide them on, each one at a time, through there. And you get it to line right up with it. There we go. That one's on. And this one, same thing. Take your LED board, go ahead and sandwich it in between. There we go. And take our screwdriver, tighten that one, and go ahead. Get it almost all the way tight. And what you're going to want to do then is underneath it with your fingers, you can feel the LED board that's there. You want to line it up so it feels nice in the center. Then go ahead and give it its final turn. Same thing with this side here. Get it lined up where you like it. Go ahead and tighten it down. So that's it. So that is how we install that part. It's in. In the next video, part 3, we're going to show you guys how to install the LED strips.